How to fix cellular issues detected on iPhone. So if you want to fix your cellular issues detected on your iPhone, then what you need to do is the first solution is to reinsert your SIM card. So open up your settings on your iPhone, toggle the airplane mode on for a few seconds, then toggle it off. This will refresh your network connection. Removing and reinserting your SIM card can resolve network issues. After that, you can just simply go and power off your iPhone, use a SIM ejector tool or a paper clip to eject the SIM card tray. Remove the SIM card and wait for a few seconds. Then reinsert it and power your iPhone back on and check your issues. If that doesn't work, then you can also have a second solution, which is enabling 4G or 5G on voice and data settings. Make sure your iPhone is set to use fast connection for voice and data. For that, you need to open up your settings on your iPhone and then you need to scroll down a bit and then go with cellular or mobile option. Now here you need to go with mobile data options and then you will find voice and data. Tap on it and you will have 4G, 5G on or 5G auto. So you need to go and select 5G on both voice and data and see what happens. If that still doesn't work, then third solution is to turn on network selection. Updating your carrier settings can resolve connectivity issues. For that, you need to again go with your settings homepage. From here, you need to scroll down a bit, go with mobile or cellular, then tap on network selection. You need to turn off the automatic option, wait for a moment, like for a few seconds, and then select your SIM name and then tap on restart your iPhone. Solution 4, you can reset your network settings. To resetting your network settings, you need to scroll down a bit from your settings homepage, then go with general. Under general, you need to scroll down a bit, go with transfer, reset iPhone. Tap on reset, which is on the bottom, and then go with reset all settings. After resetting your settings, it will fix connectivity issues. So these were the few solutions to fix your cellular issues detected on iPhone. And if you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching.